Nestled within the serene neighborhood of Vai Da Ward in Huế City, PVT House emerges as a sanctuary seamlessly connected to the lush greenery of an adjacent garden. This unique proximity offers residents unobstructed views of nature and allows natural light and fresh air to fill the home, creating an atmosphere that radiates tranquility. The design capitalizes on the beauty of its surroundings, situating the home so that nature itself becomes a primary feature, enhancing the peaceful, airy environment. PVT House occupies only one side of the plot, allowing ample space for a central courtyard that acts as a transitional buffer between the house and the garden. This thoughtfully designed courtyard serves multiple functions. It offers an inviting space for outdoor gatherings, from family BBQs to tranquil moments surrounded by greenery. More than just a gathering space, the courtyard bridges the interior living areas and the surrounding garden, fostering a sense of unity with nature and supporting relaxation. Inside, the ground floor houses a series of interconnected communal spaces, each oriented towards the garden. The extensive use of sliding glass doors along this level allows the rooms to open fully to the outdoors, dissolving the boundary between inside and out. When the doors are opened, the living spaces become one with the garden, inviting in fresh breezes and unobstructed views of the lush landscape. Yet, the layout is skillfully arranged to maintain the owner's privacy, ensuring that open spaces do not compromise the home's seclusion. Structurally, PVT House is defined by two horizontally oriented rectangular volumes stacked atop one another. This arrangement maximizes the home's connection to the landscape, with the lower volume extending outward to embrace the garden. Above it, the larger upper volume acts as a protective shell, shielding the living areas from intense sunlight and rain. This thoughtful design element creates shaded verandas and loggias that promote natural airflow and control light, effectively balancing exposure to the elements while preserving a comfortable indoor environment. Built with raw, exposed concrete, the house integrates with Huğ's tropical, humid climate. The natural texture of the concrete surfaces, used on both walls and ceilings, serves a practical purpose by reducing finishing costs and enhancing durability against moisture and mold. This unfinished aesthetic not only supports the house's sustainability, but also resonates with the rugged beauty of the surrounding environment, adding a touch of raw elegance that complements the natural landscape. In keeping with its focus on sustainable living, PVT House incorporates traditional ventilation methods within its contemporary design. An air gap between the two concrete roof layers aids in dissipating heat, keeping the home cool even in Hugh's warm climate. The strategic use of solid and open spaces throughout the house creates effective airflow, striking a harmonious balance between privacy and openness. This carefully balanced ventilation system ensures that the home remains comfortable year-round. Ultimately, the design philosophy of PVT House champions a sustainable approach, using natural elements, light, wind, and greenery, to elevate daily living. Through its integration with the natural environment, the house fosters a lifestyle centered around health and relaxation, where each day is filled with the simple, profound pleasure of living in harmony with nature.